The first step is to create a simple Twitter post just like this. Now head over to an Instagram page just like this and pay them a couple of dollars to post it on their story. Now just sit back and relax, because this method will pay you $2.07 every 60 seconds on complete autopilot. In fact, I've already hit my daily income goal using this strategy alone, and as you can see, I have made over $100 in my CPA Grip dashboard. Now this method is unique and anyone can do it, including you watching this video, so make sure not to skip forward. Now before I hop into my computer and show you this awesome strategy, I'd like to announce a huge giveaway for this video, in which I will be giving away my latest affiliate marketing training program with coaching that is worth $500, and you can get a chance to win it in this video. All you have to do is smash the like button below, subscribe if you're new, and comment your favorite motivational quote below this video. Now in the next couple of days, I'm going to announce the winner in the comment section down below, and who knows, you might be the one to win my $500 affiliate marketing course with coaching. Now that we have everything out of the way, let's dive into my computer. Now the way we're going to be making money with this strategy is utilizing CPA marketing, which means cost per acquisition. Now we don't have to sell anything to anyone using this method. All we have to do is promote a simple giveaway in which somebody has to enter their email address, and we will get paid about $2 per email submit. So as you can see, this method is very powerful. We don't have to sell anything to anyone. So what you're gonna need is a CPA Grip account. So head over to cpagrip.com and sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. Now I'm gonna log in for you guys, and I'm gonna show you what to do next and how to select the perfect affiliate offer. So once you have an account, this is what you're gonna see once you sign in. Now the first thing you wanna do is sort these offers by the United States country, because we're gonna be promoting these offers to people from the United States. And as you can see, some of these offers are gonna pay you up to $2.08 per email submit, okay? So all you have to do is enter your email address and you're gonna get paid $2.08. So this is how CPA marketing works. Now what I'm gonna do now is choose one of these offers. Now right off the bat, I like this one. Act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. So what I'm gonna do is promote this offer online, and whenever somebody signs up to this giveaway, I'm gonna get paid $2.07. So all you have to do is click on it, and this is the landing page, and this is your affiliate link. So we are going to promote this affiliate link online and start making money. Now before we start promoting this link, we need a simple landing page, because we cannot post this link on Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere. We need a landing page. So that leads me to the next step. Head over to bio.fm, right? This is a free landing page builder that you can use, right, to build a simple landing page so you can start making money. So as you can see, I'm going to sign up for a free account, and I'm going to show you what to do next. So this is like building a micro website, and it only takes a few minutes, so stick with me. So once you have an account, this is what you're going to see, and these are your blocks. So you want to delete these first, all right, like this. So this is about me. I'm going to delete this and delete this as well. And I'm going to click on tap to add content, all right? And now click on links and websites. Click on got it. Click on next. And here you're going to add your title. So head over to CPA Grip, copy your title right there, paste it inside there. Go back to CPA Grip and copy your affiliate link, paste it inside the URL section. Here you want to enter here. Now click on add block. Now you want to click on publish. Okay. And now when you copy this link and paste it in your new tab, this is your URL and your landing page. So whenever somebody comes to your landing page and clicks on the $750 PayPal gift card, the affiliate offer is going to open, and if they enter their email and sign up, you're going to make $2.07. So this is how CPA marketing works in a nutshell. Now to generate traffic to our landing page, we're going to go to Instagram, but be aware that we're not going to be creating our own account, following, unfollowing, uploading posts, and doing this outdated nonsense strategy. what we're going to be doing is paying somebody who already has a huge following on Instagram. We're going to pay them a small amount of money, all right, depending on your budget and depending on the influencer size. Now, for example, this comedy post Instagram account has 4 million followers. So that means that they're probably going to be a bit expensive, all right? Maybe $100 or $200. But you can find smaller Instagram influencers and you can pay them $10 to $20 to post your ad on their story. Now, before we contact them, right, and pay them, we need to prepare our advertisement that we're gonna send to them once we pay them. So head over to Twitter, all right, and we need to create a simple advertisement like this, right? So feeling blessed, we took a few surveys and won a $750 PayPal gift card. You can too, swipe up. And I grabbed an image from Google and uploaded it to this post. So what I'm gonna do now is just screenshot this part, all right, just like this. I'm gonna screenshot it. Okay, and now this is my ad. Now I can send this to my influencer, all right, and they're gonna upload it to their story. And I also need to send the influencer my link to my landing page, all right? So we need to send them this link. So we need to do two things. Send them the advertisement from Twitter, just like this, and send them our URL so they can post it in their bio once they upload the story, right? So imagine if this account has 4 million views and they get about 100 or 200,000 people on their story, right? That means if like 1,000 people swipe up and complete the survey, we can make about $2,000 easily, right? So this is how this strategy works. Now let me show you how to find these awesome influencers so you can be sure that you're gonna make money. So open a new tab and search for Shoutcart, right? Shoutcart. This is an influencer platform where you can buy and sell shoutouts. So you can go to influencers, all right, just like this, and you can search for all these different types of niches. And as you can see, here are your influencers. So for example, this one has 152,000 followers, and you can directly click on it and check out their price, right? Make sure to register for a free account to see the price and everything. Now, what you can do is scroll down and you can search for followers, right? You can scroll, you can put this down to like, let's just say 400,000, click on update, and you can find smaller accounts so you don't have to pay that much money for your story. So for example, something like this, right? 50,000, but make sure it's in the meme and giveaway type niche, right? Because you don't want to be advertising a PayPal gift card giveaway in a dog or pet niche, all right? That wouldn't make any sense. Or you can do something like the motivational niche right here, right? So what I would do is I would find an Instagram influencer just like this with 150,000 followers, and I would pay them a specific amount of money. As you can see, Instagram story 24 hours, right? And they're gonna post your link in their bio, so plus URL. So you're gonna pay them, let's just say $20, $30, $50, and they're gonna upload your advertisement, right? So this right here, and you're gonna send them the URL, and then you can sit back and watch all of the commissions coming in. Because I promise you guys, if 100,000 people see the advertisement, I can guarantee that at least 1,000 to 2,000 people are gonna swipe up and complete the offer. So guys, this is the entire strategy. This works like a charm. This has been working since Instagram has been active, right? Instagram influencers are very powerful. Make sure not to overpay the influencers. Make sure to find a good deal, right? You're gonna pay $10 to $20 to test out this strategy. And if you get your money back on the first go, you can then scale and pay more influencers. So this is the entire strategy, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, once again, if you haven't already entered this video's giveaway, make sure to smash the like button below, subscribe, and comment your favorite motivational quote to get enrolled in this video's giveaway. Now, also, if you want to grab a free affiliate marketing guide, I'm gonna leave a link below this video to that. It's 100% for free. I'm gonna pop a screenshot on the screen right now so you can guys see what I'm giving away. It's basically a affiliate marketing cheat sheet just like this, right? It's an affiliate marketing cheat sheet with tons of helpful tips and tricks, so you can grab this below this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, once again, smash the like button below, and I'll see you in the next video.